If you're approaching retirement or already in it, avoiding these 401k mistakes before it's too late is crucial for securing your financial future. There's a lot at stake, and if you don't address these issues now, it could cost you thousands or even more. The good news is, I'm here to help you identify the most common mistakes and show you exactly how to avoid them. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also tell you about a wealth protection strategy that's gaining popularity with retirees across the country, something you might want to consider if you want to preserve your retirement savings. Now, before we dive into those 401k mistakes, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. It's a free gold IRA guide that could be the key to preserving your hard-earned retirement savings. Thousands of Americans are using it to safeguard their wealth, and I'll explain why shortly. So, let's start with the first mistake, not taking full advantage of your company match. Many retirees or people saving for retirement miss out on free money because they don't contribute enough to their 401k to get the full company match. If your employer offers to match your contributions, that's basically free money, and you don't want to leave it on the table. Make sure you're contributing enough to get that match. It's one of the easiest ways to build wealth. Next, not diversifying your 401k investments is a big one. If you're only invested in one asset class, like stocks, you're leaving your retirement exposed to market volatility. Many people don't realize the importance of balancing their portfolio with a variety of asset classes, including bonds and even precious metals like gold. Why gold? Because it's a time-tested hedge against inflation and market crashes. More on that in a second. Another huge mistake is not rebalancing your portfolio regularly. Your asset allocation should evolve over time, but many 401k holders don't review their portfolios and adjust for changing market conditions. Regularly rebalancing can help ensure you're not taking on too much risk as you near retirement. Also, don't ignore the tax implications of your 401k. When you withdraw funds from a traditional 401k, it's taxed as ordinary income. Some people don't plan for this, and they end up with much lower withdrawals than expected. One way to reduce the tax hit is by considering Roth 401k contributions, or even moving a portion of your 401k savings into a gold IRA, which can potentially protect you from some tax risks over time. Finally, here's a mistake that could really hurt you down the line: not planning for required minimum distributions, RMDs. Once you reach age 72, you're required to start withdrawing money from your 401k, and if you don't, the IRS will hit you with a hefty penalty. Many retirees don't plan for this, and it can create unnecessary tax burdens. Having a plan in place for these withdrawals can help you minimize taxes and even help protect your savings in ways traditional 401k strategies won't. So, how do gold IRAs come into play here? As you get closer to retirement, a gold IRA could be a powerful tool to protect your wealth from market downturns and inflation. While stocks and bonds can be volatile, gold has historically been a safe haven for wealth preservation. If you're thinking long-term, especially if you have a 401k with 100k or more, or even 5 Plus in savings, transferring some of that into a gold IRA could be one of the smartest moves you make. It's a strategy that's becoming more popular, especially among retirees who want to preserve their wealth, not just grow it. I recommend taking a moment to check out the free guide in the description. It walks you through the benefits of gold IRAs in simple terms, and you'll see why so many retirees are making the switch to protect their wealth. To recap, avoid these mistakes. Don't leave employer match money on the table. Diversify your portfolio, rebalance regularly, plan for taxes and RMDs, and most importantly, consider securing your wealth with a gold IRA. If you're ready to start protecting your savings and ensuring a safe financial future, click the link for that free gold IRA guide. It's perfect for those of you with 100k plus or even 5 Pluses in retirement savings. Don't wait until it's too late. Act now and protect what you've worked so hard for.